enhanced 2021 Honda Odyssey. Let me introduce you to a world of first-class travel. Out here, you'll see that the 2021 model gets a refreshed front fascia, black and chrome accents, two-tone 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels, plus a full suite of LED lights. When it comes to power, the Odyssey features a V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for a smooth ride that's well behaved in the city and completely at ease for those longer highway road trips. Speaking of which, fuel economy comes in at a respectable 10.6 liters per 100 kilometers, city and highway combined. The interior is roomy and well designed with elegant details like perforated leather trim seating with piping. Seating is comfortable for all passengers, and take a look at this, Honda's Magic Slide second row seats. This setup allows you to remove the center seat in the second row, which then allows you to move these two seats through a variety of positions. Before we move on to technology, let me show you the front seats because it's a first-class experience up here too. Plenty of room and storage options, a well laid out dash and center console, plus the front seats are heated and ventilated. Now the technology in the Odyssey is what really takes it up a notch. It starts with Cabin Watch and Cabin Talk, two amazing features that let you see and speak directly to everyone in the rear. Adding to that is something new for the 2021 Odyssey, and it's called the Rear Seat Reminder System. This system will prompt the driver to check the rear seats before exiting the vehicle if the rear doors were opened since the last time the vehicle was turned off. Back here in the first class cabin, your passengers can take advantage of the Honda Blu-ray rear entertainment system with streaming capability and the amazing How Much Farther app, which tracks the progress of your trip. All of this is displayed on the amazing 10.2-inch display. You'll love the versatility and practicality of the Odyssey, which boasts over 3,900 liters of cargo space behind the front seats. Now, to cover all the amazing features of the 2021 Odyssey, we'd have to make this video about 3 hours. But you can always learn more by visiting honda.ca, check out our virtual showroom, or head over to your local Honda dealer and experience first class firsthand.